Good evening student. Today we are going to study unit number 2.4 language study, topic word chain and an exclamatory sentence. Let's study about word chain. Example. Students, word chain question we have in a language section. Word chain of noun, word chain of verb and word chain of adjective. For example, let's have take one noun, tiger. Tiger is a noun. Tiger is noun. Means tiger. Which letter is last R? R, can you tell me? You know R. River. Last word again. Last word no, sorry. Last word no. Last letter R. This word's last letter R. We made new word river. Now river's last letter R. Rabbit. Last letter rabbit. T. Top. Top means bhaura. Look, tiger is noun, river is noun, rabbit is noun, top is a noun, but word chain. Tiger, last letter R. This is the last letter and new word begins with R. River. Again this word's last letter R. New word begins with R. Rabbit. Rabbit's last letter T. Now from T letter top. And this is called word chain of noun. Second kind, verb. For example, show. It's a verb, students. It's a verb. Show. Show means दाखवणे, action word. Which is last letter of show? W. New word, win. Win means jinkane. Win. It's a verb. This win's last letter N. From N, let's make a new word. Can you tell me from N? Name. You know, name means now name. To name. It's a verb, students. We show, we name. From E. Can you tell me? From E you can write here while writing note. It's called word chain of verb. Third kind, and good. Good is an adjective. It's an adjective. Understood, students? Good last letter D. Good last letter D. From D, dirty. Which is last letter in dirty? Y. Yellow. It's a name of color. Yellow shirt. Yellow belly. It's called an adjective. You can add two words while writing these notes. Understood, students? Very easy question. This question is for 2 marks in language section. Question number 1 in A. Understood, students? Very easy question. Now second topic, an exclamatory sentence. It is called word chain of noun. Second, word chain of word. Third, word chain of an adjective. Understood, students? Three kinds of word chains. An exclamatory sentence. Second thing, this is the first one. Now second, an exclamatory sentence. You have already studied about this topic. For example, very example I am taking. I am very lucky. I subject and verb, very adverb, lucky and adjective. Understood, student? How to change this statement or this sentence into exclamatory sentence? Look, I'm very lucky. Very is an adverb. Now let's take the first WH word. How? Answer. How? Instead of this adverb very. After very, which word is here? Lucky. Take this word after how? Lucky. This sentence subject. Which is the sentence subject? I. Keep in mind, students, when we write I separately, you should write it in the form of capital letter. Understood? How lucky I am. Exclamation mark. Means the sentence is like this. I am very lucky. An exclamatory sentence is how lucky I am. Second example. It is a very big building. Students, which is subject? It is verb. Of A is an article, very adverb. Big adjective and building noun. Look here, A is used. If in a sentence, students, A is mentioned or an is mentioned, that time you will use what? WH word. Only two words are used while changing exclamatory sentence. Look here. What? Answer. Instead of what? A. That's why we use here what? A. Instead of very we use what? Just like a how. In this sentence, in an exclamatory sentence, where is drop. And instead of that, how is used. Second sentence, oh very. That's why we use here what? What? Very, drop. What big? Building. It is. Students, look here. We wrote here capital. Just I told you. Here, I is capital here, but here small. It. Like this. Exclamation mark at the end. No doubt. What a big building it is. And these two structures are called exclamatory structure. Now this is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence. It's an assertive. It is called an assertive sentence. Understood now? It is called an assertive sentence. This sentence we have changed now into an exclamatory sentence. Now this also we use here how, we use here what, why, just I told you the reason here is in this sentence a or an is not used, but in this sentence a is used. That's why we took WH words instead of very. Very an adverb we use while changing into exclamatory sentence. Very two topics are very easy. You have studied in 8th standard, you have studied 9th standard. Now same topic also you are now studying here. So these are the examples. These examples definitely help you to understand this topic, word chain and an exclamatory sentence. In your textbook, the exercise is given there. There are 5 sentences, an exclamatory. There 5 sentences are given in the form of assertive. You have to change your textbook sentences in an exclamatory sentences. So open your textbook, find out unit number 2.4. Open language study. Understood now? I hope you understood better. Now today you have to write down this note. Thank you very much.